Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how you can reschedule a session with your signer while you're inside the session. So here we are in a session with our signer, Alex, but all of a sudden something happens and Alex has to leave and we have to reschedule this session. How can we do that? Well, we can go over to Menu, and we can scroll down to reschedule session and we'll get this pop-up box. Now we can go here to meeting date and time. We can choose the date and the time that we want to meet our signer, making sure we're choosing the right time of day, and press OK. And we can reschedule the session. At that point, we want to go here, save, and exit the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back to our channel for more remote online notary tips.